Nobody talks about this during planting, but it kills your vegetable resort, be it spinach, be it cabbage, be it sukuma wiki. And if you compromise on this, you are done. One of the things, the variety that you are planting. In most cases, when it comes to sukuma wiki, I need a regenerative variety, a variety that keeps giving me more leaves on weekly basis. When it comes to cabbage, I need a medium size cabbage. How do you do your seedlings? You can raise your seedlings in two ways. Raise them in your own nursery, or get lady seedlings from the propagators like I do. It's because I don't have time to do my seedlings. If you have time, do your seedlings. The done thing you need to consider is the spacing. Which spacing are you using in your farming? Very key. For sukuma wiki and for spinach, I usually go with 50 centimeters from plant to plant or 40 centimeters from plant to plant. Interrow, I can use 40 to 60 centimeters. That doesn't matter. But it's very key. If you do a bigger spacing, which is more than 60 centimeters, you'll have low population. If you do a smaller spacing, you'll have congested seedlings or plant, which is not good for you. For cabbages, it's 60 centimeters from plant to plant and from row to row. Another point you need to know, how do you control cutting insect? Because after planting, the seedlings are attacked by so many pests, and you've done a very good job, grown the best variety, planted with the best fertilizer, planted the best spacing, but how do you protect? I usually go with AgriPest 75 EC organic product, and this product is from Kapi. I don't use any other product in my vegetables because it stops the cutting insect in my sukuma wiki. It stops the aphids from attacking my sukuma wiki or cabbages. It stops thrips from attacking my sukuma wiki. It stops diamond bark moth from attacking my cabbages. It's a all-in-one product, and I don't do an interchange. I don't use any alternative product. And for your information, it's safe to you, and you have 0 PHI when you use this product. So what are you waiting for? And last but not least is my nutritional approach. I plant with phosphorus this product. Mostly I'm using the NPK 2323. I do a top dressing of CAN, which is a calcium based product, to make sure that my vegetables are well and are the best.